Okay, what's up, guys? So, Blarg has uploaded a video titled "Try Not to Wheeze: Cards Against Humanity Edition." But I've been wanting to check out one of these videos because these videos seem like it's pretty funny. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into this video. First things first, make sure you guys definitely go subscribe to Blarg for more videos like this. Go show him some love. Anybody else that's in this video, go show him some love too. But in that being said, let's go ahead and give this video a like because you know it's gonna be good. Refresh it, and there we go. Heading on this laptop because my office flooded. Dang, that's messed up. Oh, where was it where they said that there was like some floods going on that was crazy? I don't know, but it was, yeah. Dang, that's messed up, man. Hopefully,
Alright, start game. I am the Za, baby.
Read the card, baby.
I tried baking a cake, but the directions were unclear. I ended up with... This is like cooking without instructions, dude. I want to do that. Okay. Yeah, try and make like an 8-layer bean dip.
That's how you end up with meth.
Just end up with narcotics. Mixed into like Bush's baked beans. I tried baking it. Did you guys all do pictures?
Not this time.
I might have.
I tried baking a cake, but the directions were unclear. I ended up with... Oh my god!
ugh,
Are those
Sausage?
cut up hot dogs?
that is.
How did he get the...
I would laugh, but then I would tell that person, I know you don't
Gordon
expect me
Ramsay
to
made
eat
that.
this.
That's
Gordon
impressive.
Ramsay when he
Gordon
has
Ramsay,
dementia.
yeah. I'm like, he makes that. He got something going on.
I ended up with accidental ass to mouth. Okay. Yeah, the winner on this one is the Gordon Ramsay hot dog cake.
Is this pretty much just pictures with friends?
Yes.
Bankrupt governments around the world are turning to blank to generate additional revenue.
I can never go like with what my mind thinks.
Oh
first
yeah,
on
yeah. I
this.
think we're thinking the same thing, to be honest.
Yeah. No. 100%.
Bankrupt governments around the world are turning to...
Oh no.
Oh god.
I swear, man.
It's a black guy whipping white people.
Yeah, we were just talking about
Oh
this
wait.
earlier.
Oh yeah. No, I'm keeping that open. That's respect.
Bankrupt governments around the world are turning to...
Dang.
What? Oh, it took me a second. Yeah.
That's just
Is that just like
sad.
a Nike factory?
I think so.
Man.
Bankrupt governments around the world are turning to raping and...
What? I'm like, bro.
That cannot make that much money. How
Bro,
do you monetize that?
Maybe that's why Mixer shut down.
Run out of revenue. So you just tried to rape mine.
I don't know what's going on. I sat there and changed I don't know why it's that big on the screen. Yeah, I apologize for that. Yeah, it shouldn't be like that. I don't know what's going on with my laptop, but if you change the display, everything gets like twice as big for some odd reason. I'm gonna try to fix it when I'm done with this video, but yeah, that shouldn't look like that. That is just way too big for just. I think I can see that where the volume is at.
All right. Who's the winner?
Sure, man, this laptop.
Actually, I think I'm gonna have to go with this one.
Yes.
It's funny,
Yeah,
but that
put
one
her
makes
there
the
for
most
child
sense.
labor.
Blank. 0 out of 10. Do not recommend.
I'm not gonna lie. I typed in straight sex
Wow.
Okay, dude.
because I'm trying to play to the czar, and let's just say none of these images are straight sex. It is the complete opposite.
Oh yeah, no.
My whole other monitor is full of gay porn right now.
Relatable.
I looked it up. Wait, do what? Oh man, I should have been an incognito. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that.
Oh, 100%.
Oh, I'm not an incognito either. Fuck.
Damn.
I've already
Oh,
looked up
no.
explosives.
Explosives and gay sex.
All right. Blank. Women. 0 out of 10.
Dang.
All right.
Screw you guys, man.
You're really playing this art.
Next image.
Oh my god.
What the hell
How the
is that?
coronavirus started.
And
That
the last
suit.
image.
Okay, that's just.
Cursed
Dang.
Doge.
That dog.
What is that? Food? Is 0 out of 10 taste or what? What is the scale for?
That
Scary
dog.
dog smile. Do not recommend.
Yeah, because that, yeah.
Alright, so I
think
don't
we
give
got-
any more, like, steam to the narrative. I'm gonna go with this one here.
Coward.
Unbelievable. Oh no.
Blarg.
Blank. Explosive fun for the whole family. There's only one way that like this card.
Yeah, no, I have a feeling it's gonna be 3 of the same card here.
I don't think I could type that in on Google without getting on a list. I'm kind of afraid, actually.
I'm gonna have to
Blank.
skip this one, guys.
Explosive fun for the whole family. Okay. Please
Closing
blur
that.
that.
Closing that.
Yeah.
Closing
Yeah, I'll
that.
just blur
11. We knew it. That'll
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
Oh, was that what it was?
Fun for the whole family.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Now I can
Please
see
blur
it.
that.
Closing that.
Yeah.
Closing
Yeah, I'll just
Yup,
blur
dang.
We knew it. That'll
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
Nope,
Yep.
didn't even open it.
An American tragedy.
Shut up.
Okay.
Explosive fun for the whole family. Arabian. It's Arabian Heroes. Is that like some mobile game?
It sounds
It's
like
like
a.
Arab Raid Shadow Legends.
Raid Shadow Legends of the East.
Forget to
This
everything
video
you know
is-
about bombs.
Video sponsored by Arabian
Forget
Heroes.
everything you know about data mining apps on your iPhone. Blank. Explosive fun for the whole family. Okay. Well. Just a
Blank,
high
why'd you
quality
just-
photo of our supreme overlord.
He's
I
some
think I'm
main
gonna have to
character in
go.
Arabian Heroes.
I'm going with the mobile game.
Yeah.
That was creative.
Best one to go with.
Shut
Look
up.
at the detail on those Arabs.
Look at the detail
I
on this
swear,
beam.
man.
Look at the detail on that goat.
That's crazy.
You can see every fiber in the bolt of silk.
Download with my link and you'll get 50,000 bombs. On your
Wherever there is blank, blank will soon follow.
I feel bad for
Ah,
this.
What
no.
the hell, dude?
No.
Yeah, so,
You cannot.
I
No.
don't feel great about mine, I'll be honest.
Wherever there is McNasty.
I think. Wait. I think we might have all used the same first card.
No, I
Wherever
definitely
there is
didn't.
An attic.
Okay.
That's crazy, man. That is
That is
crazy.
very creative, actually.
God.
Wherever there's me again.
Burp sound effect. Can't do that, Anne Frank one. You cannot do that.
Fuck you guys.
Wow.
What? Come
Wow.
Two nasties between an Anne Frank.
I've seen that porno.
That's
Oh
no.
god. Alright, blank, it's part of a complete breakfast.
What was that laugh? What was that laugh?
I was gonna put a dog boner, but I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, I don't. What the hell?
Why did that come to your head? Blank, it's part of a complete breakfast.
Goat.
Poor PNG of a goat.
Badly cut out PNG. Nice. Complete breakfast. Alright, blank, it's part of a complete breakfast.
Osama O's. Wow. Osama's. Wow.
Where did you even
That is some crazy stuff, man.
Type into fight.
Imagine the whole state would have had to get shut down if a store was selling some stuff like that. And you know people will buy it. You know people will buy it.
Arab cereal?
Let me guess. It has like an explosive like taste. I bet it's like some like sour like something's like wrong with it. Like, oh, if you listen closely, you can hear ticking. Like that's it's crazy how I just thought of a whole commercial for the worst cereal of all time. I feel like it. Yeah, you know what? Nope, I am gonna say it. You ain't gonna have Senpai Rick ain't gonna have no video of me talking about TMossBoss going too far. I'm gonna be a good person on YouTube. I will not do it.
I didn't think we need to see the last card. That's it.
blank, it's part of a complete breakfast.
What the
Dead horse. Wow.
That's a dead horse?
Wow.
Why
Is that allowed?
why is there crime scene tape around it? What happened?
Well, this is a blowout.
Was that a
Yes.
pun?
Shut up.
You
Part of the song.
on beat.
You really are music.
Blarg be cracking up, man.
Everything I do is
You know you are white when blank is the edgiest thing in your life.
I can't control it. You know you are white when Hallelujah by the Dew is the edgiest thing in your life. Rainbow Six Siege is the edgiest thing. Are you guys playing to me? Is this about me? I know you're white when the
I did the Drake.
Yo. Is that Blarg? Oh
Describe yourself in
man.
3 words. Oh, this is a tough one.
Oh, you gotta go with the N-word one. Yeah.
My throat hurts after almost dying from the N-word.
In the wrong hood or what?
But hundreds of thousands of Facebook users pledged to raid Area 51, hoping to find blank inside.
I was gonna say, what do you like, Mia Malkova or something?
Man.
Just after a shoot or what? Oh my.
His laugh, man. Dang, he is.
Fucking goat.
There's like a old. There's like 2 things Blarg's laugh reminds me of. It was like one of those like old like try not to laugh videos. I straight up forgot like try not to wheeze. I was like I wasn't going to treat this as a try not to laugh challenge because I know I've been laughing throughout this whole video because it's a Blarg video, man. It's like you hear him laugh like you're done. But anyways, but no, there was like one of them like old like laughing compilation videos where it starts off with the baby, then it starts off with the black guy, then there's this like one like white dude that's like cracking up laughing. That and then the guy from Revenge of the Nerds. Those are the 2 people where Blarg's laugh. It reminds me of that. I have to. If you guys haven't watched Revenge of the Nerds, go watch that movie. And then yeah, look for that like compilation. It starts off with it's like I think like a couple of babies, and then it's a black guy, then it's a woman, and then it's like this dude at the end.
Okay. Time for you to be put down, Blarg.
Raping a goose.
Dang.
Pull it together! Pull it together!
Breathe. Blank. Such great much wow. 10 out of 10. You guys put a picture of Doge, I'm gonna personally find you and murder you in your sleep.
All right.
The dog.
Just silence.
Dog with no neck. Huh.
Why do I see porn in the?
You guys.
No.
Okay.
Well,
I could tell with it. Why?
That's
I just
not-
knew it was
that's
something
not
inappropriate.
There's
That's
not
not
even
my
porn.
card.
There's no cock
the,
out.
the fucking link has porn in it. What the fuck is that? Why is
That's
that old man grabbing Spider-Man's cock?
the clothed version of whatever that second.
Can you shoot webs out of here too?
This is where his web spitter is.
Well, Spider-Man's been removed.
Web is stored in the balls. Blank will definitely get you kicked off the Minecraft server. Who's
Already
already
done.
typing?
Already done.
All right. Blank will definitely get you kicked off the Minecraft server. Okay.
I swear, man, it
That is a
doesn't
great
end.
It really is.
That's Soup's next thumbnail.
If you guys dare me just to use that as the thumbnail for this video,
I would
Man.
love to see that. Blank will definitely get you kicked off the Minecraft server.
Okay. All right.
Wait, is that technically already blurred because it's Minecraft? Like that just. It doesn't even look like a dick, really. It looks like he has a like pink hole.
It looks
There's,
like a
some,
firework.
Hey, let's start a Kickstarter for
hot dogs and
That's wow. Wow.
That's what happens if you go to a buffet during the fucking coronavirus.
Yeah, this pan's empty. Could you refill the hot dogs and AIDS, please?
I didn't get enough AIDS with this. Can you put a little more
some more
on?
AIDS.
Freaking just some good like barbecue looking hot dogs and then like 10 needles.
Hey, let's
like,
start a Kickstarter for.
I swear,
Okay. Hot dogs and AIDS.
Why do we need to fund that?
I goddamn roommate is so fucking immature. I
farted?
actually had to post a no. Oh my god.
Minion,
That is.
minion BDSM.
Blarg,
Blarg, stop.
there's a special layer of hell for you.
There's so many cursed ones.
How did
Blarg is
Blarg
the
win?
winner.
You let Blarg win.
Wow.
Soothing intro with the fries. That intro, that's like something, it's like you could watch like 10 hours of that just going off. But anyways, yeah, pretty good video from Blarg. If you guys haven't, definitely go subscribe to those guys. Nasty, the Dude, Soup, and Blarg. Go subscribe to each and every one of them. Like, subscribe to me too. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.